Hey guys, it's been a long time. I'm back after a long time for a bookish video. I hope you guys are also looking forward for it. And so today I'm gonna share the 11 books that I hope and wish to reread. We book lovers love to reread, not all of them, but still there are many people who love to reread. And I am one of them who love to reread my favorite books. Without any further ado, let's go to the books. In those 11 books, I guess 9 of them I have physically, and there are 3 which I don't own. First, let's go through my physical books first. Also, I want to say that these books are not in any particular order. So, the first book that I wish to reread is The House of Salt and Sorrows. So, I have read it. So you can see the annotations. This book, I read it this January, if I'm not wrong, and I really liked it. It's a dark retelling of the 12 Dancing Princesses, and it was quite interesting. And but there are few things in the end that I didn't really get clear with. But yeah, I loved it. Not loved it, I liked it. So I wish to reread it and make myself clear through few things. The second book that I want to reread is Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. So this book I read it last year and I heard it on audio. This is the only book, a big book, that I have read in audio format. And I literally don't think audio works with me. So, but then I really loved this one. And so I bought this and I want to reread it again because if I read in audio, listen in audio, I don't think I can remember everything because half of it I have forgotten already. So I need to reread this. And I don't think this book requires any intro or something like that because most of you will be knowing about this book. The next book is a series. You people would have seen already this book a lot of times in my channel. So this series is the Chaos Walking trilogy. So I read this back last year, I guess. Yeah, last year. And the first book is The Knife of Never Letting Go. The second book is The Ask and the Answer. The third book is Monsters of Men, all by Patrick Ness. By reading these books, Patrick Ness is one of my favorite authors, definitely. He writes so well, and I really want to read all of his books, but that's not the topic right now. So, yeah, I really loved this book. This book is about a boy named Todd who lives in a town called Prentice Town. This town only have men because long ago a disease had affected them and all the women were affected by it and they died and the men were affected by it. So the results of the effect of the disease on them was that when they think something, that's no more a secret. Whatever they think, it's told aloud, like others can hear it. So that's the story. And the boy one day comes across silence and that changes his life. And I really think people should read it. It's just a wonderful series. I really want more people to read this particular series. The next book that I want to reread is The Palace of Illusions by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni. So I love epics, okay? Really, I love Mahabharat and Ramayana. I like Ramayana more than Mahabharat, but then I love both of them. This book I read it last year, and it was for an assignment in my college. I was very interested in this because I knew this is a retelling of Mahabharat. When I read it, oh my god, I loved it so much. The next is again a series, a trilogy. It's the Hunger Games trilogy. This trilogy also, I really loved it when I read it. So this trilogy, I read it back in 2018 or 17, I guess. No. Yeah. Or before that. I don't remember properly. The first book is The Hunger Games. Second, Catching Fire. And third, Mockingjay, all by Suzanne Collins. I have read all the 3 books and I really loved The Hunger Games and Catching Fire. But Mockingjay, I didn't really like it. The story is about a place, Panem, which is ruled by capital, and to show their power over the districts. So the Panem is divided into 12 districts. So to show their power over the districts, every year game is kept held known as the Hunger Games, in which two people from each districts, a boy and a girl, from the age about 12, is selected and put in an arena where they fight each other till that, until one boy or a girl remains, and they are declared as the victor. So this book is about all of it, and it's really wonderful, and I really loved it, except for Mockingjay. That bit ruined the trilogy. I didn't like it that much, but the rest of the two was awesome. The next book is The Book Thief by Marcus Zuzak. I've talked about this book before in my channel. Uh, I loved this book a lot. I have read it only once, and that time I had borrowed a book from the library, and now I have an own copy and I want to read it. This book is taking place during the Nazi Germany, and this is about a girl named Liesel Meminger who lives with a foster family, and she steals books because she loved to read. And this is not just that, because it is situated during a war time. So yeah, and I really loved this book. This book made me cry. I really love it. And this book is narrated by Death. I really want all the people out there to read this book. Next is again a series, but I have only the three books and I have read only the three books. The fourth book is the same story from a different point of view. So yeah, but I will read it someday, definitely. So this series is the Divergent series. This, I know many people don't love the series, but this series is really close to my heart. First book is Divergent, the second book is Insurgent, and the third book is Elegant, all by Veronica Roth. I have a very nostalgic feeling towards this series because I had read the series together with my two cousins, and we had discussed about the series a lot. So yeah, and this series is so amazing. I love Divergent, I liked Insurgent. Elegant, I liked, like, 5 stars, 3 stars, and 5 stars again. So 3 stars is not a bad rating for me. Elegant, I know it made me cry, and those who have read, they know why. But I don't at all regret reading this books. Okay, I don't at all regret. If you want to know about this series, I have a review on Divergent on my channel. I will link it up above in the iCard and the description. If you want, you can check it out. This is the only series and the books that I have reread almost 3 to 4 times. I have not read any other books that many times. So you can guess from that how much I love this series. The next is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. This book is so well written and it's so good. We get to see the story in the book from an 8 years old girl named Scout. I guess she's 8 years old, I forgot. How her father, Atticus, being a lawyer, how he supported a black man named Tom Robinson who was wrongly accused of raping a white woman, and how they had to face the consequences for that, how the children were affected by it and from the society. And this is quite relevant even now. Okay, that was all my physical books. Now I'm gonna tell about the books which I don't own but I really want to reread. The first two are series, like all the three are series, but the first two are the series which I read recently and I just finished. Okay, just finished, and I really want to reread it again. So you know how much I loved that books. Okay, loved those books. So the first is The Mortal Instruments by Cassandra Clare. So I was really skeptical going into it before because it was totally hype. But then I read it anyway because many booktubers like Emma and Sai from the book Dragon they always kept on talking about these books, and I really wanted to know what is there in the books that they loved so much. And I came to know what they loved about this book so much. And I'll definitely leave the links to their channel in the description box below. Please go check them out. They are wonderful booktubers, okay? So the first is The Mortal Instruments, and I recently, like 2 days ago, finished City of Heavenly Fire, and I loved it. That series made me cry, laugh, everything. I really loved it, and I definitely want to reread it. The Mortal Instruments have 6 books. The first book, City of Bones, City of Ashes, City of Glass, City of Fallen Angels, City of Lost Souls, and City of Heavenly Fire. So this, I'll talk about City of Bones. So it's about a girl named Clary Frey, who's gonna be 16 in a week or so, and suddenly her mother disappears, and she realizes that she belongs to a special group of people known as the Shadow Hunters, who hunt and kill demons. So it's difficult for her to digest the truth, but then she have to find her mother. So she allies with them, she goes with them. So that's the story. But oh my god, it's so wonderful. And Cassie Clare, she writes so beautifully, like so good. The setting is so nice. New York, it's amazing. Please go read it if you haven't read it. I don't know how to recommend it. I love the second last series or trilogy which I want to reread is the Infernal Devices trilogy, again by Cassandra Clare. So this is a prequel of City of Bones, The Mortal Instruments. So this is about a girl named Tessa Gray who comes to London from New York in reply to her brother's letter. But when she comes to London, two Warlock sisters collectively named the Dark Sisters, kidnaps her and trains her to bring her hidden power out, and then the Shadow Hunters save her. And then she comes to know about the Shadow World. And it's, I can't say how good those books are. Please, yeah, please go read it if you haven't yet. It's so nice, and I really want to reread them again. These two series made me cry, laugh, everything. I regret reading those series so late. I had to read it years ago, if I could, yeah. And the Infernal Devices had a wow ending. Like, I have never been so satisfied with the endings of any other books. So yeah, please go read it if you haven't read it. And the last books that I want to reread is again a duology, if I'm not wrong. I don't know the name of that duology, but the first book is The Blue Umbrella and the second book is The Violet Flash, both by Mike Mason. And I really don't think people read these books. I don't know why, but it's so good. Okay, so good. I'm not even kidding. It's so good. Okay, so this book is about a boy named Zach who loses his mother, and his two aunts, being his relative, takes him along with them to look after him. But then when he is taken with his aunts to their place that is in Five Corners, a place called Five Corners if I'm not wrong, he begins to find so many secrets in that place. He gets to know a person named Sky Potter who controls the weather. Okay, so it's so good, and I really want all of you to read it. Okay, it's so good, and I really don't remember anything from that properly because I had read it long ago, but I want to reread it again. I want to buy those books, but they are too expensive in Amazon, in every website. So I want to buy it someday, but then yeah, let's see it. So those are the 11 books that I want to reread. Let me know the books that you want to reread in the comments below. I would love to know them. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Meet you guys in my next video. Bye bye.